Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making ourselves our usual rosemary hair growth spray. Yes, I don't know if you don't know how to make any hair growth spray at all in your life. I think you should be able to do some rosemary hair growth spray for yourself because it's so easy to make. This is the easiest hairspray you can ever make, apart from the fact that rosemary is easy to come by. Yes, if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe for more videos and more updates. So yes, we'll start off with our rosemary. Depends on the quantity. If you want it very potent, then you have to use a lot of rosemary, but if you want it mild, and you have to use, let's say, just a little. I use only 1 teaspoon, and then infuse it with hot water so that it's not very strong. It's not, it's just between the two. It's important to use hot water so that the infusion is faster for you. If you don't use hot water, you're not really going to like the infusion process. But when you use hot water, you're going to really love the infusion process. So after infuses for a while, you notice the color change. That shows that, okay, this rosemary has been well infused, and then you strain them into your spray bottle of choice. Yes, guys, rosemary, I know you've heard so many benefits of rosemary. They are tremendous. There are lots on the internet. I love rosemary in general. Yes, I have a lot of herbs I use on my hair, but there are some particular herbs that I should always have them in my house, and rosemary is one of them. So making this hairspray, it's so dear to my heart because yes, all the things are available right in the kitchen or right in my house, because I use rosemary in my meals as well. Yes, so I'm using it on my braids. In my braids, I've had these braids for a while now, and I just want to use it in it so that it revives the follicles. You don't just braid your hair and then leave it like that. It needs to grow. There are several things you can do to your hair during braids. When your hair is in braids, and one includes always moisturizing the hair. Yes, I always say that our hair is like a plant, and plants usually flourish when the soil is rich in nutrients and also is well moist. If you don't water your plant, that it's going to get dried and it's not going to grow. Same applies to our hair. If you don't moisturize, if you don't do anything to your hair, you realize that your hair starts breaking off. It's not the hair that again. You're not really going to love the hair that you spend so much time and so much energy in trying to grow. So I'm saying that if you're in braids, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't take care of your hair. It means you have better access to your scalp. You have better access to what should go on into your hair. Braids for me is it's not really a break. It is an intentional break. I have intentional access to my hair, to my scalp, and all that. Yeah. So when you finish applying the spray to your hair, please do well to follow up with your hair oil, because you don't just leave the spray on your hair like that. It's going to dry out your hair so much, and you're not going to like the results. So when you finish applying, you follow up with your hair oil or your hair spray or your leave-in conditioner. I'm emphasizing on all these because if you don't do any of these, your hair is going to be very, very dry. Now, what are some of the benefits of rosemary? What are the reasons why you should consider using rosemary on your scalp rather than using other herbs? Yes, though other herbs are also beneficial, why should you choose rosemary for your hair? Rosemary can really help with hair growth, and there are some scientific evidence to support their use. I mentioned earlier that rosemary is just not any ordinary herb that, though they are not backed by science, they are very effective. But with rosemary, they are backed by science, and they are also very effective. They can promote hair growth, they can prevent hair loss, and they can also slow down premature graying. Some studies suggest that rosemary is as effective as minoxidil in stimulating hair growth. If you use rosemary water on your hair for consistent days, for a long period, you notice thickness in your hair. With herbs, you have to be very consistent. They are not magic, but just that they really work. Yes. So rosemary can be used either as a spray or as an oil. I like to use them in spray because it's fast for me rather than oil. Oil, you have to infuse them for a longer period or fry them on fire or something. But with the spray, just steep it into water and you're good to go. You're good to spray it on your hair. But then all the same, they're all very beneficial for hair growth. Each of them has its main benefit that it has for the hair. Yes. So guys, when you finish, do well to massage. I always say that applying products on your hair without massaging is I don't know the example to use, but it's basically it's like going to the farm without a cutlass. You haven't really done anything. You've just really wasted a lot of products and your time as well. So anytime you apply a product on your hair, do well to give yourself a very good massage. Yes. And do well to focus on problem areas. Some of our scalp having certain issues that if you don't focus on, you realize that you're not really getting some benefit. But then if you focus on problem areas, you'll be so impressed that okay, this particular area is really facing, like you are seeing some benefits at this particular area of your scalp, and you're going to really love it as well. Yes. So guys, rosemary is something that if you don't have anything to do it on your scalp, either as an oil, either as hair tea, like this one as well. Yes, do it as often as you want. For me, I like to do something like 100 ml rosemary spray for my hair. I don't like it so much because when it's so much, it ends up going bad at a point. So I just do like 100 ml and use it for a while. If I can store it in the fridge, but I don't recommend that. Just do something small that can last you for about a week, so that you don't end up going days and weeks and then your spray is still there. It ends up smelling bad and you're not going to like the results as well. Yeah. So in case I haven't told you, this is my hair growth oil that I formulate myself from scratch, and it's so potent. The reviews are crazy. Like, you're going to love it. If you want to purchase one, just let me know in the comment section. I ship outside. You can inquire about it, and also start your amazing hair journey in 2025. Yes. So when you're done, if your hair is in a style and you feel like it will be smelling like rosemary, with my hair oil, it has a nice fragrance, so you don't need to worry. But then if you feel you will smell like rosemary, make sure you have some perfume oil around somewhere. Just smear it in your hands and then apply it throughout your hair. Just a little drop throughout your hair, so you have your conscience is not giving you this rosemary smell. That okay, you're smelling like sweet scented lemon. Sweet lemon, sweet strawberry or vanilla fragrance. Yeah. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. I always ask for your feedbacks. I want to know what you think about this video. Did you watch till the end? What do you think about this? What do you want me to try? What do you want? I always want to try other things, especially if you give me the recommendations. I would really try it. So next time you don't know what to do to your hair, try making yourself some rosemary hair tea, either as a scalp rinse, that's after you shampoo your hair, or generally as hair tea, like what you see me do in this video, and you're going to love it. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. I'll see you in my next video. I'm saying again that I'm doing a vlogmas, so you'll be seeing everyday posts from throughout the month of December. I only missed 1st December because I had internet issues, but aside, I'm going to see my posts every day throughout the month of December, and I really appreciate you liking and commenting and subscribing, so that it pushes me a lot. Thank you for watching. My name is Lydia once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Till next time, take care of yourself and take care of your hair, and bye.